Hello guys, welcome to another video. Guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix. I installed Windows recently in my PC. Okay, my PC lags, struggles and stutters. It can't run any program. I I haven't installed any high-end software. Okay, I just installed my web browser and I'm trying to open it. So the PC lags and it is overheating. So today in this video, I'll solve your issue. First step, guys, check your system usages. So click on just go to your taskbar, right click there, click on task manager. Okay, it's simple. Go to your taskbar, right click on task manager. This window pops up. So they check your CPU, memory and disk usage. Guys, probably I noticed if you install a new PC, your disk usage go to 100. Okay, that's disk usage go to 100. So that means you haven't installed any driver if your disk usage go to 100. So I'll show you. Okay guys, search for device manager and just check there your display driver is installed or not. Okay guys, if you're using any onboard graphic card, that not mean. Okay, just check that you haven't you installed or not. Okay, if you not installed it, go to your web browser and search for that. Okay, first suppose I have a Nvidia GeForce GT 710 graphic card. So Nvidia GeForce. Okay, guys, I have this graphic card, so I'll install this. Yes, if you have any Intel onboard graphics or AMD, or if you have a AMD dedicated graphic card like that, you just install. Search in your web browser and search for the driver. Just download and install. If you ask for restart, just restart your PC. That's it. And once after restarting, just check your PC, your disk usage and your CPU usage. Guys, if your scan CPU usage goes to high, that means your PC lag and your PC will lag highly. So just check that. Guys, you can see my CPU usage is normal. Okay, guys, before you run any high-end task, for suppose I'm running a new game and that can run in my PC. And guys, you can see, just check your CPU disk usage. Guys, my disk usage is so low. Guys, after installing new driver, okay, if your disk usage is didn't solve, okay, your PC still lags and stutters. Wait for 5 minimum 10 minutes, and after that just check your PC. If your PC still lags and stutters, just follow my steps. Disable your SYS main, okay, or superfetch. Okay, go to your Windows search and type services. Guys, go to your Windows search and type for services. Just open this one. And guys, here after opening, okay, the window look like this. So guys, here you can find SYS main. If you're using Windows 10 and latest Windows, if you're using any older Windows, then you find superfetch. Okay, like Windows 7 or other version of Windows. Here you find superfetch. Okay, mine is the new version of Windows. Okay, I can find SYS main. You can see, just right click on that, go to properties, just disable this. Okay, you just disable and click on stop. Okay, first suppose it is in like this. Okay, first suppose I'm starting this service. Okay, if you if it is like this, just click on stop and it will stop that service. Just wait for a few moments, and here we go, the service has been stopped. And click on here, click on disable. Okay, click on apply. Okay, that's it. Now check your task manager. If your disk usage is high or 99 or 100 like that, you just check Okay, my disk usage is very low. And next one, find that Windows search. First, suppose, okay, I can't find Windows search. One second, guys. Can see Windows search. Guys, here you find Windows search. Just go to properties. Click on, guys, if it is like this, or okay, it's automatic. Okay, if it is like this, just click on stop and click on here, disable, apply. Okay, that's it. And next thing, okay, next thing, what you gonna do, just close this one and open your Windows update. Okay, guys, if you install any new Windows, your updates automatically. Okay, that means your Windows updates are installed in at the background. Okay, your Windows update are installed in the background. So guys, the first, I installed my new PC. I installed uh, all the software, and my PC is lagging, so I just opened Windows update. I checked here, my PC is updating and installing updates, so my PC is lagging. So just check that, and guys, wait for your updates install. And after update install, it will ask for restart. Just restart your PC, and that's it, guys. Once check your after restarting, just check your disk usage and other usages, guys. If the usages are low and your PC runs smoother like me, so your problem has been solved. And guys, if not subscribe to our channel, guys, please subscribe, and don't forget to like this video, guys. Okay, don't forget to like, and I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Okay, guys, by the way, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll meet you next video, guys. Bye bye.